Hi, everyone. I wanted to share this resource with you. It was something that I've used in the past and it can basically be used for kind of anything within your classroom. So this is called wheelofnames.com. So basically what it allows you to do is you can go and type in anything you want really in here. If you wanted to make a wheel based on, like picking which student you're going to call on, you can start typing in names and you'll see it automatically makes that pie a certain size, and you can copy and paste those names in here and things like that. Another thing you can do, which is really nice, and like I said, you could use this to kind of pick on the kids in your class. You simply go and you click on the wheel, it spins around, and it will randomly land on someone. Oh, look at it, landed on me. It'll go and showcase that as soon as it stops. Woo! And I want to just hit close. If you hit remove, it'll actually take it off the pie. So that's something you can do as well. If you're going through a lesson and you want to make sure that someone doesn't get picked twice, that's something you could always do. Another cool thing you can do is you can actually add images. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my little image there of my Jedi. And so now that's there as well. So, if you're doing something maybe with our kinders and you want to go and add some pictures to it, you can go as well and do that. You can see I can still add letters on top of that. So kind of a nice little feature it has. Now, where you might want to do this as well is, and I kind of took this idea from a friend of mine who teaches out in River Grove, is she uses this as for the beginning of the day with questions to ask her kids during remote learning. So you could go and spin the wheel, and you are already called on someone, and it's kind of finish this sentence, and you could ask questions like, if you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go? If you can meet anyone in the world, who would you meet? Things like that, just to kind of get the kids talking, and it kind of makes it random every day. Cool thing is, you can create these, and if you go to save, and you have the option of actually signing in with your Google account, which I'm going to go ahead and do that here. And I haven't done it yet, so it's taking a little bit longer. But you'll see if I go and click my D205 one, I'm going to save this as just names. And save. And the cool thing is now, if I go to open, it'll have all of my different ones that I've created, and I can then just go and let's say I accidentally close out the website, and we just go wheelnames.com, and let me delete this. So let's say I make another one, test. I'm going to go and save this one too. I'm just going to name this one test, just so you guys can see how they will look. So now when I go to open, you're going to see I have my names one. I could have one for, beginning of the day, end of the day, and you can build on it. So just because it's here, I can now type more in, and then I would just obviously hit save. Once again, this is wheelofnames.com, and it's for me at least, I love using it just as a way, for sentence starters and things like that, or as like a fun way to call on people. And you can also full screen it as well, which is also really nice when we are sharing our screen. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please reach out.